Can a writ of certiorari overturn a conviction after sentencing? Imagine you have gone through a trial, been convicted, and served your sentence. Now you're wondering if there's any way to challenge that conviction further. Well, one of the options available is called a writ of certiorari. But what exactly does that mean? A writ of certiorari is a legal document used to ask a higher court, usually the United States Supreme Court, to review a case from a lower court. It does not directly overturn a conviction on its own. Instead, it's a request for the highest court to look at the case again. After sentencing, if you believe there was a mistake in your trial or appeal, you usually start by filing an appeal to an intermediate appellate court. If that appeal is denied, you can then petition the Supreme Court for a writ of certiorari. Keep in mind, the Supreme Court only accepts a small number of cases each year, focusing on cases with important legal questions or conflicts among lower courts. If the Supreme Court grants the writ, it will review the case's record and legal arguments. The court can then decide to affirm the conviction, reverse it, or send the case back to a lower court for more proceedings. So, the writ itself is just a request. The actual overturning of a conviction happens only if the Supreme Court rules in your favor after reviewing the case. In terms of post-sentencing options, pursuing a writ of certiorari is often one of the last chances to challenge a wrongful conviction or serious legal error that was missed earlier. It's especially relevant in federal cases or when constitutional rights are involved. Remember, you must usually file the petition within 90 days after the final judgment. The process is complex, and having a skilled lawyer is essential to craft a convincing argument. They will help you meet the strict procedural rules and increase your chances of getting the case accepted. In summary, a writ of certiorari does not automatically overturn a conviction after sentencing. Instead, it is a tool to ask the highest court to review the case. If the court agrees and finds legal errors, it can then overturn the conviction or order other relief. It's a powerful but limited option, often used when all other appeals have been exhausted.